an area of the field for him that he's not totally accustomed to.
Here's Romero. Let's look at Giuliano Simeone. He did start the game that Argentina didn't need to win the third group game when they made a whole raft of changes. He's working away at England as his dad did at David Beckham, and vice versa.
Good tempo, lovely tempo to the start of the game. Look, we want a semi-final that's bristling, that's on the edge. They're the best games, the most exciting ones to watch, and there's every indication that this one's going to have that.
So I did think about going man-to-man on Messi. There's no sign of that so far.
Because he wanders much, that's the problem you have. He's prepared to wander around the field, Messi, to pick up the best position. If you go man for man, then it's a defensive player. He's getting dragged all over the place. You've seen that and faced that countless times over the years and dealt with it.
Anderson loves to play forward. Trying to an angle that he didn't complain about. I think the England fans do. Captivating viewing for everybody, including the FIFA royalty. The president is here and the general secretary sitting behind him. McAllister. Since McAllister played every minute except the game against Jordan, that third game in the group stage that I referred to earlier. There's Gordonn.
He got actually to get anything on the end of it about Anthony Gordonn, because it was skipping off the top of the surface there. It looked like it was heading for a goal kick all the way, but I made something of it. It got better as the tournament has gone on, I think, in an England shirt. Anthony Gordonn, he's looked particularly dangerous down that left side.
45, I'm sure, by the fact that he's joining Barcelona. Martinez goes along, well covered by Stones. Ball was played in one direction. I don't think he's a member of it now, but Louis Tomlinson knows his football. He played for Doncaster Reserves in freshman game.
Looked like a trip on Elliot Anderson.
That is going off the floor as well. Not just there, Elliot Anderson was involved. This is going to take some officiating this game.
And the bench is below us, Martin. Yet Thomas Tuchel was up, and immediately Scaloni was up as well. So all the officials, fourth officials, the referee out there, assistant referees on either flank, everybody's got to have their eyes all over the place here.
Leo Messi just looks on, leaves the rough stuff to the others.
Again, for the referee, giving it every chance before a card will be brandished, but it's kind of inevitable with this one that once he brandishes one, we could see quite a lot.
I think of Ratin in 66, sent off into quarter-final. Beckham getting sent off in 98. Before Sergio Aguero. Been around, we've seen him a few times in the tournament, haven't we?
We have indeed.
A loyal fan as well as a wonderful player for his country. This is interesting. It's the first time the referee's been examined in his response to what Argentina are going to try and conjure up by any means It's not be penalised to get the own goal from a Messi corner. The free kick had gone. Must have gone to the foul.
Yeah. Simeone was so close to him really and actually facing him. He got on the right side of the screen. I think that's totally unnecessary. You don't need to do that.
And we have the hydration break. And the second final. Lost in the semi-final 1990 on penalties to Germany. 2018 to Croatia, having led. And the Kieran Trippier free.
Tao người ta.
That's another opportunity. And they have been competitive. They've been 2 Euro.
Comes through these games all the time.
World Cup semi-final back in 1930 against the United States, strangely enough. And they won 6-1. The crowd was 73,000, so it wasn't a slow burner in that respect. Only 13 nations compared to 48 in this one. Such a wonderful history. The centenary, of course, when this World Cup comes around in 4 years' time. Okay.
ที่ไปโรคห้อง
Breaking pass.
Oh, that is great ball that from Harry Kane. Probably involved an awful lot. That's why he went and dropped so deep there, just to start getting involved.
Stones.
ไม่เจนเอากำลังเขาคงทานออกมา
Spence.
Simple.
Messi breaks down that far side. A bit too long, Argentina snapping at his heels.
Excellent way, exactly the right thing there, Jude Bellingham. That's what I've been so impressed with him in this tournament is.
เบลลิงแฮมมีหลายก็ไม่ตัวไหน
He
จ้ะ
knows when to drive at the opposition. He knows when those challenges are going to come flying in at him. There's 3 blue shirts. Look, yeah, he's well applauded by the coach. He knows it. It's important that he does that when he gets the opportunity. He hasn't really had a
Bellingham
chance to do much of that, but when he does, he is.
Half hour
โกลเทงกันเลย
marking in the hydration break. England fans in very good voice. Argentina
รอนเป็ดไม่แต่เดวิดเบคแฮม
a winning penalty in the 2002 World Cup group stage. And watching on eagerly, and of course very much a free kick specialist. The roll today with Declan Rice. Putting John Stones in round the back.
โกลล์
Half a chance there, nice blighted.
Ui, các bạn, ui.
Far post and John Stones is above his head on Martinez.
Cẩn thận đều ra đi lâu.
It goes on and creates actually that big area for John Stones to maybe go and attack it, just didn't get his forehead on it.
It's the first attempt of the game.
Chị anh
The
thích nước
pass.
suốt này. Kỳ tuyệt rồi. Messi anh nhàng.
ไอเตียงไอ้ตีบริชานอันหนักหัวน้อง
Well, the card was just
Chị anh nhìn quay dễ.
Yeah, not sure who that
Wrestling
was
ở chót
to.
mày đôn.
Great skill from Messi, wasn't it? He could have dropped it off here, he could have rolled it backwards, but that's what I mean. He's been in this scenario
Anh phải tiền là chưa?
so many countless times, thousands of times over the years where
Để xe chụp ra nhiên là
the
cạn
second best to
anh
come
bật
out of
lên
the
màn
ball, he
ghế là
somehow does.
Yes, against the
để xe
cup.
với cái thủ đoàn viên là cạn
Chú chị.
ฮันนี่แกนนี่มาโฟน
Went in. Gordon
อัด
went
กูฮาร์ดซอกลมที่
in.
Khá phô lên với em khá hả chú. Khá.
Elliot Anderson knows exactly what he's doing there. That's a dangerous one.
Bà có khi trùng rồi.
Messi.
Well, it has taken 37 minutes for the first card, so the referee, I think, has kept his place as well, but he had no alternative there.
Goal thei em le free kick match. Argentina này á free kick. A goal game.
As they hit, but it's far too far out even for someone
Việt
as
Nam lâu
talented
thì
as
họ
the taker. As he took a
Ui,
shorter
ui.
route. Now he might have a crack. He does.
A goal thút bao nhiêu?
Goal thôi.
Goal nào?
Nice.
He hit that very sweet Enzo Fernandez. They feel that
Chelsea player này không?
someone got a touch on it along the way, but he hit this one
như
nice.
cả hai
See
anh
much
thua
contact
dưới bắc
there. It's definitely
Chúng
not
chuyên
touched by Jordan Pickford. Looks like the right decision, goal kick.
Well, that's the football for you. This World Cup football, it gives you value, shall we say, for your shooting.
Boring về.
Ui pin ở đây.
Ủa 5 độ cấp mà.
Rất là to.
Paredes. Some antagonism from the Argentina dugout. Free kick given.
Cái số lượng.
Very much the closing seconds.
Ở đây má. Cái đây gì?
Second semi-final.
Hian. Nhị. Khát. Zero.
Spence has had some good forward surges. England allowed to still go here and
Sang tú.
I don't think so. The first half with Enzo Fernandez
Half time ấy.
having a jack of a shot. The first half.
Ui, phải chặt hiên.
Half time.
Gordonnnn 3.
Bé goal về. Lỗ về tục. Anh văn lồm đó đây.
Gordonnnn 3. So idu pa po ka aron na siya tin alaw ding tayo kamamo. Oh.
Bé có tiếng Anh ngay. England.
Eh Gordonnnn nilaw.
Gordon hả?
Gordonnnn. Kasi Barcelona kailangan.
Anh là thar Barcelona. Anh comeback. Nó comeback này không thì bao giờ thì đâu. One zero ni Vegas.
Cái tiếng
Ta academia sung på sig.
Vâng bây giờ nữa nha.
Anh comeback mấy thế mà anh thì lao hiền.
Jangan tu tang tu.
Comeback hiền quá đó.
Apa mood light takin?
One zero ni beta. England.
Di update doon lang yung nota. Tigo lero.
1-0 ta second half macam tu ah. Ini semua perubahan kita tu. Okay.
Ano.
Penalty kan? Penalty lah.
Nice ball. Ay,
Penalty lah tu. And they say Spence is not good, nah? And they say Spence is not good. How, man?
Shut up, who the fuck? Who said that? Hey, keep penalty here. Penalty. We go low shot.
Danny, I don't know.
Go shoot, go shoot, go shoot, go shoot, go shoot, go shoot, go shoot. No, what you got? Nice.
Argentina were 2 down against Egypt. They produced their best attacking football what I've seen in the competition. They had to go for it, and they really did go for it. And found a way and got
Let's check his status.
so England know here that they're going to have to be pouring forward.
Keep it on. Go.
Thân chuan chawa kan mu hi la. A changin kan enna. Ipon ke na. 1-1 đó đấy.
Mua cha.
England thì cẩn thận rất tiếng của sữa. Một. A goal mỗi có mấy.
Agora. Que eu fui no.
Finally anh lút thằng em England hian. Final lút. Apa ding về. Final anh lút cho England ni. Spain tu mga World Cup final la. Euro final kum ni dem ta kum ni kal ta. Leka. Oh, Messi. World Cup final kum ni kal ta leka. Mi kamo. Andi match don mo. Euro final. Oh, ini kasi may boss lo. Euro final ka oh rematch don na. World Cup final la. England le Spain. Chucho England ang tap ay England hi ang tap thei tian ay Argentina. Arong comeback lo ni chuan final la anu tanga Spain an tu nga Euro sang ni pali rematch an nei don ni. Mo. Ase Argentina ang chang khop me arong comeback le lawang ti po se asai thei lo. They are never late.
Let's open.
I'll come back to meet him more. 1-0 Zulu ni siya minute yung saking kato.
Need 6-7 minutes.
Minute sa na pasare. Oh. Unhydration break that chap to ah. England he 1-0 in Analita. Antang Messi Argentina po. Sen kan athen kan ha bor to kai ni tu. Thian kan hat wang khop mai mo. Messi, can you still make a comeback? Like we'll see. This is me right now. Goal. Low.
A safe.
One save away. What a save.
Oi.
What a save.
A safe. Tira mo ba tiya? Safe kaya to ki. Kiba ki omna sa tu ba page man ang ti kan.
Save chavya now too.
Hydration break ni ta. Ui. Phone ringtone na. A safe tie.
Hydration break.
Hydration break minute ni chu minute chin.
Shut up. Argentina ana comeback thei lo ma se ana shet lova. Egypt ni na anin tum pok hanin minute somret nuwa an pel go so kha. Chuvangin ana shet lova chak tu. goalll.
England had numbers back, not necessarily all in the right place.
Clever little delivery that.
Yo, fila.
There's Alexis McAllister. One of the smaller guys in that 18-yard box, but he made a really nice run.
Come on, England.
Just the cross just beat him.
Here's the ball. Romero. Magnifico. TL again. And then on defensive duty.
Ini samsai pali an kiel to tan.
It's the team desperate to unhing it all.
Riat nin kiel to.
Leicester City is all.
Interesting one.
Dar ni lemi sam pali to.
Card. And I know that Declan Rice has had a few
Come on.
issues, hasn't he, with illness, etc.
Time is the friend of England, the enemy of Argentina. There's still plenty of it.
A goal.
And there's one more.
Hengom sia. A goal ti sia.
Fair way out.
Ako le doon yang
Needed an intervention from the
A goal to.
tough on many.
Strike straight at Jordan Pickford. That's one
A goal to.
ay anti goal le doon yang.
always thought it might be just
A goal don. A goal don guys. Cancel sa.
Daan.
An han sia.
This one's on target. This one's an absolute beauty.
A goal don ti kan sa. A goal ti kan an awak memo. Argentina nge kat sai kha kan ben don ti kha. A goal kha guys. Anon tia kita. Ano aw mo. An kau tia kan siapa 1-1.
brilliant strike.
Văn môi về hả chú. A goal don tia kita ang awa. A goal don ti kan siapa.
Is this going to be offside?
Offside maithei.
Messi offside when he receives that again. It's a big call. There might be another.
Văn môi về.
The strike is unbelievable, but I wonder whether Messi is offside. If we know by now, we probably would. Great goal.
Để lên hàm kêu khi ăn slide về không phải tlak mà.
As we assess the
Akan
spectacular
akan lama man.
what went before.
1-1.
Looks as though
Sila offside ka pa.
Anh là nhìn bản mới thấy được à. Khá bằng khai đi cái đi nấu chặt bộ. Anh bản nơi dễ luôn.
Absolute
shades of 2018.
Không bộ. À lại view tụi con.
Croatia came
Ma mero.
the same as they did when they were. A wonderful strike there. So
Này ăn áo để đâu xịn.
Tung khá khá rồi. Khi đi thì khá là tăng rất luôn.
Áo lấy với cho rồi. 1-1 tăng có phải kha.
or a goal or an assist in each.
A goal để to. Áo để to.
Alexis McAllister hits the post.
Là goal rồi mà sẽ. A goal don thở. Guys, a goal thì con sẽ to. Anh đâu sao à? A goal anh tia. Vanduai để tăng nghe đi nghe. Say come on, come back dong ti kha chuan chắc cái đinh. Anh chị nào? Ti come on. Ôi chỉ nè. Anh ăn lộn thôi nè.
They haven't stopped the supply, England, and they haven't dealt with the pain in the box.
they just can't stop it, Martin. Argentina have got the wind in their backs and they've got energy in their.
Cả lốm thấu mà lấy mà có tục. Messi fan gì vắng như cả lốm thấu.
And then when it comes out wide, it's Messi. And you're all expecting expecting him to chop onto the left, but instead of that, he goes down the line on the right, stands up.
ก็ล้มโถมาเลยมาคุณดู
And it's thumped in the back of the net. While Lautaro Martinez climbs majestically, hangs in the air, totally unmarked. And gives Argentina, I think, the deserved lead at this stage of the game.
On the record, you can see Stones was back on. England the winner.
เอาคราวนี้ครับอินเดียจะเป็นวันด้วยสินี่มา
Argentina are wondering whether this superb comeback, in truth, against
เบลลิงแฮม going to
tapestry
อาจจะเทเราก็ไหมวันวันชักแต่ยังเบลลิงแฮมจะเทเรา
of what champions found. In trouble, the tough. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Trouble, the cliches that you like.
ปุ๋ยตาปุ๋ยปุ้ย
Hurricanes asking for checks on the time. England now. But one thing you can say from England's point of view is they are slightly out of balance in terms of attacking players on the field.
วันด้วยเด้งไม่มวยก็คงไอ้ อันที่ให้น้าดิวักเสดรอน้าดิวักเสจูเนี่ยโอ้อันก็ตีกันเชียนจูอันเอาวักทีนะโมอันเอามาใส่ชกทีนะโอ้ยอัดตั้งกันเสียแล้วจุงหวังอินจู
There are a few makeshift defenders.
Danberg's automatic, look, got right towards any
ก็เข้าไง
raise it along the throw.
ช่วย
Any cross that England can fashion from this situation.
เขาบอกอังกฤษ
Rule out an England goal. Do not despair, England fans. Those Argentina fans will want to
ก็แล้วทั้งหมดเลยมองตัวเมสซี่เฟนก็อีฟังเฮียนโมก็จันเยเวตานทีมปนเฮียน
say in a minute.
จากพี่น้องในอาร์เจนตินา
Number from those early. We haven't got too much.
ลูกผู้ใดร้อยเทียร์
England now again is almost up.
เอ็นดอกใส่เฮีย I told you man I know Argentina will win that's why I say hey kapitiga guys Chuvangin cakaring Argentina han cakaring boka
That's why that happens, but some of their football
hey
is tremendous when they were running.
cái đón ta nên không khó chắc thầy mà nghe
Anderson, referee, not indicating that he's going to blow yet. We're going to try to pass it forward. There could be
goalll anh áo đầu cắt
here, except that Messi has the bigger picture in mind.
Sao đâu? Cộng ta
To Martinez, who steers it forward towards his namesake.
it's not coming home
That's the winning goal to his name.
it's never coming home
When the final whistle goes, but it's still being 2-1. It's up towards Byrne.
What's ahead of that is
Enzo
not
Fernandez. Argentina say blow the
Fuck,
final
go
whistle.
away.
The referee hasn't done it.
con người khác không
Goalll in Atlanta. Back with Pickford, one last.
come on one last time
Get any more dramatic than this? World Cup semi-final. Dan Burn coming in for it. Martinez hasn't got it. He's got it,
penalty kìa
and that's all that Argentina need.
everybody off the Argentina bench, everybody waving their hands in the air.
They're only trying to
anh chăm tiền để đưa ai ra chăm tưởng
There he is. The man who rose.
nó thiếu em gì Argentina trong mùa
Yet another
Anh không biết cái này riêng chú phẳng nhiều cái sấy mà Argentina lệ Spain anh sấy khá là ni khá England là Spain
cái tilo ô France là Argentina cái tilo
gọt khá thì miêu gọt khá thì miêu England thì chân vanduai thế thì bắt đầu
laro chú Ruben party tu chú can chạc là Spain anh dinh lại bắt nha
final lệ thì mấy Messi theo dù World Cup final avoid thum na tu ni yo Messi Bellingham mà chơi đầu cắt vậy giải avoid chưa cái đỉnh về đấy thì comeback không ô England thì một hết chiang một tục Messi nghe mô nhẹ thay đâu gột con thì miếu mô đấy bên rồi Bellingham là bên đi
hai different
Hurricane hay yo bằng đồ để tôi nói
chỉ còn nghe là ở đây đây
nào
Brilliant tackle only came 2.5 minutes after England had scored. They've given absolutely everything. But Argentina still have everything to play for. England 1, Argentina 2.
David Beckham po let's go Argentina bye guys bye